guys, it's Ritz here and I am back with another video. So a lot of things have changed, and one of those things is now that I'm working at Changing Faces Barbershop, and yeah, that's one of the biggest things. So definitely be an expectation for more videos and tutorials. So first, as you can see, we're starting off with using Tea Tree Shampoo and Conditioner by Paul Mitchell. You guys, I absolutely love this shampoo and conditioner. It's very refreshing, and it's a special version, so it's tea tree and peppermint into it, and it gives a nice tingling sensation for customers, whether you're natural or not, but I do mostly use it for my natural hair clients like my cousin here. So this is Harriet, y'all. She's our model for today, and I'm using her because it was actually a short clip that I did last year with her that inspired more clients to come to me. So right here, I just towel dried a little bit, and we're about to apply the Chi Thermal Protectant. And I'm then going to be using a wide tooth comb to basically just comb out her hair, and yeah. So this is Kelvin, y'all. This is the owner of the shop. So yes, this is me just using the wide tooth comb again, and we're just going to comb it out very gently. It's sped up, so that's why it looked like it was not gentle. So we're going to be applying even more heat protectant. I don't know why I did it again, but anyways, we're going to be gently stretching out her hair while blow drying it. Normally I do use a comb attachment, but I had broken it the day before and I didn't have time to purchase one, so we're gonna actually be using a ventilated brush, and you'll see that pretty soon. There we go. So I'm just gonna blow out all of her hair with this, and yeah. So as you can see, I already separated the perimeter. That's the hair that's going to have the individual faux locks, and the rest of it is actually just going to be braided down, and I'm going to crochet the faux locks into it. And we're going to be using Shine Jam because I really love a clean foundation. I'm like super OCD about that. I don't know why, but I like a clean foundation. So we're just using Shine Jam just to give it nice clean parts, and I'm going to be braiding it all the way back. She does have a lot of hair, and normally I don't do a braid down like this, but because she's not wearing her hair up, I just did straight backs. Normally I do straight backs into the apex, and then I do a beehive in the back, but with her we didn't do that today. But that is my normal braid down for crochets, especially for faux lock crochets. But yeah, so as you can see, we're just connecting one braid to the other. It's going to be a regular braid down, just the perimeter is out. So I'm just showing you guys half of the braids, and I'm going to be doing the other half. And then the next clip is actually going to show me starting the crochets. So here we go. We're going to be using the Bobby Boss New Look Faux Loc crochet. That was pretty long. Yeah, so we're going to be using that, and I'm kind of I already have a tutorial of how I do the crochets, so I'm actually going to skip this part mostly. I'm going to mostly skip this part. So we're just jumping to the end. This is the part that I really wanted to have you guys take a look at. We're using the Soft Twist Made MAYDE hair, and I absolutely love this brand. It's very soft, very easy to work with. It doesn't tangle that much comparatively to the other hair that I've used in the past, and it gives it a nice look. And I love using this hair with the Bobby Boss crochet hair because they just match very perfectly. They literally look the same if you have the right technique. So I'm going to be talking through what I just did in just a minute. But before I talk through, let me go over what I'm about to do right here. So right here, this happens every once in a great while. You'll have like a puffy piece, and I basically take a small section of the soft twist hair, a very small section, and then I literally just wrap that puffy piece. I hate when that happens, but doing this actually gives it a nice textured look. And sometimes I do it just to get a textured look, but this time I didn't. I did it because it was a little puffy. So as you can see, that puffiness is gone basically just by me double wrapping it, and it actually just secures in place. Sometimes I'll double knot it and you can't tell, but I actually just kept wrapping and it just stays in place. So now you see we're going to be taking a really small piece of the hair, and we're going to make this piece be even to, you know, have to the desired length. So the desired length is actually to the end of her bob. Then we're going to be taking the thicker piece, and we're actually going to make one section larger than the other, or longer than the other, I'm sorry. So you see me making it longer than the other. Then we're actually going to put the long piece by itself and the rest of the hair together. Then we're going to be wrapping that long piece around. And I'm using my pointer finger to spread the hair out. So as you can see, the hair is just spread out a little bit. That way it just covers a larger circumference. And I'm actually, I don't know if you could tell, I'm going up a little bit and then going down. And I'm going back up a little bit, then going down. This just makes it so that it's very tight and secure, and that the style lasts for a long time. Rarely do I have someone come back to get it redone. Her, we will, because it's blonde, but if it was black, we wouldn't have to. This is just because they just stay for a really long time, because I do this method. I go up, I go down. You know, I just like to cover all my bases. So now as we approach the end, you'll see me put the hair close to her chin in a little bit, just to figure out the length that I want it to lay at. And then once I figure out the length, I bend the hair to the desired length, and then I just keep wrapping the hair going up and down until it's nice and secure. So honestly, you guys, that's really about it when it comes down to my individual crochet, my individual faux locs, and the crochet in the back style. It's a very simple hairstyle. A lot of my customers do get this. They bring in her photo of this style that, you know, when I did it last year. So I just wanted to just come and show you guys it. So this is my beautiful cousin Harriet. Doesn't she look gorgeous, you guys? Nice bohemian faux locs cut into a bob. She's styling and profiling, y'all. So thank you so much. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also make sure to subscribe to Changing Faces YouTube channel as well. Thank you, you guys, and have a great, great day.